Alright, good evening guys. So, back outside again, ready to set up. I was made aware that I haven't actually given an example of how the mount sounds like after a full firmware upgrade, which is just not the hand control but also the mount itself. So I'm gonna turn on here and we'll listen to what it sounds like. Just gonna check that we're there. Okay. So, same as we had before with no load whatsoever. So now we're gonna, actually I'm gonna have it changing. Just so that it moves slightly. Okay, so it claims to be finished now, and I hear nothing. At this point before I did hear something. It was actually that quite, well, terrible noise that we heard. I'm just going to move it a little bit just to, yeah, as you can hear, there's absolutely no sound whatsoever. And before, I'll just stick in an example of what it was after delivery right here. And then we listen to what it sounded like after just the hand control was updated. And now this is what it sounds like with the, as we have it now, after a full upgrade of the hand control and the mount. I guess maybe the mount was the biggest change, really. Should have done that. Okay, well, anyway, that's it. So I'm just going to do a quick polar line here, where we stand with a red dot finder just along the scope here, and then I'll set everything up, balance, and we'll get started. All right. Toodaloo for now.